Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can instantly get 5,000 Discord orbs and get your free avatar decoration, whatever it is you want right now, because purchasing avatar decorations only needs 4,000 and like 100 Discord orbs or something like that. But basically, you'll get 5,000 orbs. So go to Discover, go to Quests, and you'll see this. Perplexity, claim 5,000 Discord orbs. Use the Comet AI browser for 15 minutes with your Discord client open and win 5,000 orbs. Accept quest, and basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to open Perplexity. You're going to open Comet AI browser. So accept quest. If you don't know where to download it, it's going to say here, but as you can see, quest accepted. Now open your Comet AI browser here. This is what it looks like. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. And then once you're done with everything, claim the 5,000 Discord orbs and you can instantly purchase an avatar decoration without waiting for months to, have a lot of Discord orbs. So yeah, that is pretty much it. You can now go to the store here, open the shop, and here you can purchase any of these that you'd like, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!